and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Cadillac XT5 Sport featured in infrared Tintcoat with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 3.6-liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, power sunroof, power liftgate, backup camera, lane keep assist, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have Bose speakers, memory seating, powered windows, and mirrors. Liftgate controls down below in our main Bose speaker. Taking a look at the seats, featured in jet black leather. And down to the bottom left is the power seat, power lumbar. Hopping inside, just to the left here we have the power park brake and head-up display. Taking a look at the steering wheel here. On the left, we have our cruise control as well as the Bluetooth controls. Just below that, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and the heated steering wheel. And on the right, our cluster and audio controls. Here is the cluster. And just to the right here, we have our infotainment screen. We can start off with the radio. It comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We have our map and navigation. Of course, our climate controls as well, and it is also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, here's the backup camera and surround vision. Just below that, we have our climate controls, some extra storage, infotainment screen or infotainment controls in the middle, as well as 2 cup holders, wireless phone charging, and the center console with 2 USBs. Top we have the digital rear view mirror. Just above that, OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, and the power sunroof controls. Here is the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, the wheels, we have color matched mirror caps, door handles with keyless entry, and privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, of course we have the Cadillac logo, and we can double click to pop it open. We have a ton of storage space back here. Lights on the other side for added visibility. Rear storage cover for some extra privacy. We also have hidden storage down below that houses the spare tire. And we can drop these rear seats, making a ton of extra storage space. And we can just press the button to close it up. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have Bose speakers, power window, cup holder down below. There's a 60-40 seat split, and we can hop inside. Back beach seat, we have magazine holders. In the middle here we have our rear vents. Some storage, and down at the bottom 2 USBs. Up at the top, handles paired with a dome light, matched on the other side. And in the middle here, we can drop this down to real armrest with 2 cup holders. Get a great view of the power sunroof. And here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2021 Cadillac XT5 Sport. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.